Now that's Steph, the problem solver, visionary, perfect partner to get the job done, aka what you get when opportunity meets preparation. And that's P, artist, performer, digital creator, producer of all trades, aka the industry kid. And this is Forever Open Radio, broadcasting live from Open LA, hosted in the soul of Hollywood. Forever Open Radio is your hub for anything culture. We're getting into everything from music, fashion, the latest in entertainment and wellness, and how to elevate. You heard that new joint? Are you a creative looking for a community? You trying to take better care of yourself these days? Or maybe you just need a good laugh with the homies. Come get the remedy from two of the realists every Friday